Hi, my name is Fernando. I'm an owner. We switched from Microsoft Excel to Google Sheets. For more reviews like this, click below. Both Excel and Google Sheets allow us to look at our key performance indicators. We track them by weekly basis, and we're able to look at year over year, month over month, week over week, and allows us to see where our performance is improving or where it's diminishing. It allows us to make business decisions in a timely fashion. To me, the only thing that Google Sheets is good for is the ability to manipulate information on a limited basis online and on the go on your phone. It's very difficult to do that with Excel. In my opinion, I believe you can hold more information in Microsoft Excel, and you have more formula capability um, and easier formula development and implementation within Excel relative to Google Sheets. It was easier to use Microsoft Excel because it definitely had the architecture of Lotus Suite, Lotus 123, which is a old data manipulation program from the 80s and early 90s. And Google Sheets also mirrored Excel, although it was limited. It was relatively user friendly, but it was dumbed down, if you may. Um, but I found that Microsoft Excel was more intuitive if you understood the architecture of worksheet management and database management. I think that if you're looking for a robust piece of software, Microsoft Excel is definitely the way to go. But if you're looking for something that's really easy to use, on the go, low cost, low management, then Google Sheets is probably the program or the application for a small business to medium sized business. I don't believe large businesses should be using Google Sheets, but to each into his own.